Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Teresa Haug-Belvin and I will be your UI 100 instructor for this 4-week summer course. I wanted to take a few minutes here today to show you how to navigate this course website so you can see how everything is organized here for the next few weeks. So I can't fit the entire course page into the little box I have here, but that's okay because I'm going to, obviously whenever you view the site, you'll be able to see everything on the left-hand side of the page and everything on the right-hand side of the page. You can see over here on the left-hand side is my contact information, and that's where my office is located, my phone number, email address. The quickest and easiest way to reach me during these 4 weeks is via email. I am sometimes in my office, sometimes I'm working from home or elsewhere, but otherwise I am always checking email. I've also listed my virtual office hour times, which means that if you email me during those times, I should be able to respond very quickly. So please don't ever hesitate to let me know what I can help you with. I don't know that you can see these, but every Wednesday morning from 9 to 11 I'm available, and then every Sunday evening from 7 to 9 I'm available. Now if you look over here to the right-hand side, you'll see that there are some resources over here, a resources box. Some of these links you may find helpful. The first link is the contact information should you have any technical difficulties. I would suggest actually that you enter this phone number, which is 573-651-HELP, into your phone in case you're not able to log in to see this information. I know many of you log into this website through the portal, but if for some reason the portal goes down, you should still be able to access the course website through learning.cmo.edu. That is the link that will get you directly to this site. That link is also listed on the course syllabus. I have a link to the university's academic honesty policy, and I also have that information on the course syllabus as well. I also have the institution's statement of non-discrimination and a link to disability services should you need an accommodation. Okay, so as we look through the middle of the page here underneath this welcome box, this is where you're going to find the meat of the class. So this top box where it says general information, this is you'll be able to see this information that you'll have to review, and then you won't be able to actually see the week 1 information until you take this course syllabus quiz and pass at least a 90%. Once you pass that quiz at a 90%, you'll be able to access the rest of the course information. So I mentioned up here that this is a 4-week class, so late work will not be accepted unless I have some sort of documented reason for missing a class. And by documented reason, I mean a funeral notice, a doctor's note that indicated you had to be hospitalized. I'm not talking about you sending me an email saying you got left, you got behind or you had to work, or whatever else was going on. There's simply no time for that during a 4-week class. So either you have an assignment in on time or you don't have an assignment in on time, and if you don't, you'll have to accept the 0 score. You are welcome to complete coursework early. In fact, you can go out and complete any of the coursework at any point during the semester. Now, I might not necessarily grade it right away. I'll grade things shortly after the due date, but you can complete it any time. There are 500 points available over the course of the next 4 weeks, and in your course syllabus, I indicate the breakdown of the points. This class announcements link, it will have a listing of any announcements that I send out to the class as a whole. When I submit an announcement, it will generate an email to you, but if for some reason you lost that email or accidentally deleted it, you can always come back to the list and see the list of announcements there. I've also provided you with a Q&A discussion board where you're welcome to post any general questions you may have about the class or a particular assignment. Sometimes other students will see those questions posted and can actually answer them quicker than I will. Please don't submit any personal questions like a question about a grade or a score that you received. If you have a question like that, just email me directly. I've also provided you with a forum rubric. You'll have several forums over the course of the next 4 weeks. I would encourage you to review it carefully as we dive in, especially here this first week with your first forum postings. It's critical to remember that acceptable forum postings are not just a few sentences long, okay? I'll be posting questions and I expect you to spend some time comprehensively and sort of analytically answering those questions. And then finally, in this section, I've provided you with the university's academic calendar. When you click on this link, it'll take you to the academic calendar. It'll show you, like, if you need to drop a course, if you need, like, when you can still receive a refund. It'll have all of that good information there for you. This link, obviously, under this heading is your course syllabus. I would encourage you to review it carefully, as this serves as the contract for the course. That is why I have you take a quiz over the syllabus to ensure that you have a good grasp of what is in this document. Again, once you pass that quiz at a 90% or higher, you will be able to see the week one, actually, and the rest of the information for the course. So like I said, I can already see the week one information, so I'm going to click here just to show you how that information is going to be organized, and it will be organized this way every week. So under at the top of every week, you're going to see a link here that says week one outline and objectives. Underneath, I will have all of the assignments that are due, but you'll obviously make sure that you click on this link here so you can kind of go in and see the weekly objectives and everything that's going to be expected of you. The next heading that you're going to see here is the readings, whoops, I went too far, readings, videos, and resources heading. Under this heading, you're going to see a couple of videos from me covering this week's material, and any other readings or videos that you may need to refer to for this week's work. Okay. This is also where I'll be indicating which chapters in the textbook that you need to read every week. The final heading that you'll see here is the assignments heading. You'll obviously want to pay special attention to this. This is where you're going to find all of the assignments, their descriptions, any drop boxes, forum postings, quizzes, all of that good stuff, okay? So you'll see those there every week. So every week is set up the same way. So once you get the hang of it this first week, you should be good to go. So in order to be successful in this class, you need to log on, at the beginning of every week, review everything carefully, especially the assignments. That way, if you have questions, you can ask me as soon as possible. That ensures that I have enough time to get back to you so that you can complete the assignment. You'll notice that your assignments are generally due at 11:55 p.m. the day that they're due. And if you email me at 11 o'clock that night, that an assignment's due, I'm not going to be getting back to you because I will be in bed asleep. So if you make sure that you allow yourself enough time to ask me questions. I can share with you that the single biggest reason that people do poorly in this class is that they wait until the last minute to do something. They're just simply not able to get it done on time. So as I previously mentioned, I don't accept late work. Like I said, it's a 4-week class and we don't have time for that. There are no opportunities for extra credit, so you're responsible for doing the work that I've assigned every week. It's really in your best interest to know what's coming up and to plan accordingly. You can always follow the course calendar I have for you on the syllabus to see what assignments are upcoming, but everything will be open and available to you to review. So I know this is a lot of information, but I wanted to make sure that I had covered all of it. If you need anything, do please let me know. Good luck with everything. I look forward to learning more about you all. I think we'll have a great summer course. Thanks. Have a good day.